The automatic double-sided spot welder equipped with upper computer is widely applied for tab welding during cylindrical lithium battery pack assembly, covering series parallel grouped cells including 18,650, 21,700, 26,650, 32,650 and 32,700 models. It supports flexible optional of various power sources, including DC inverter and transistor-type welding power supplies, to satisfy diverse welding demands of nickel strips with different thicknesses. Users can select pneumatic, electric or rotary welding heads based on budget and needs, and the welding stroke and production fixtures can be fully customizable according to detailed needs.